Meeting on expulsions to order, and ask Mrs. Bass to please call the roll.
District 1, Barbara McQuinn. District 2, Chuck Shaw.
Here.
District 3, Karen Brill.
She's here. She's on the phone in the back.
District 4, Erica Whitfield. District 5, Frank Barbieri.
Here.
District 6, Marcia Andrews.
Here.
District 7, Deborah Robinson.
Let the record show we have 6 board members here. This time we have no items to be added, no items to be withdrawn, and does anybody want to pull any items from the consent agenda? We're in the expulsions. All right, seeing none, is there a motion to approve the agenda as presented? Motion by Dr. Robinson, second by Mr. Barbieri. Any discussion? All in favor? All opposed? Motion carries 6-0. Next item is we have no speakers, and we'll move to the consent agenda. Is there a motion to approve the consent agenda? Motion by, pardon? We're on the expulsion meeting. Oh, sorry about that. Mrs. Andrews moves the approval of the consent agenda. Is there a second? Second by Dr. Robinson. Any discussion? All in favor? All opposed? Motion carries unanimously. So that concludes our business on this meeting because there's no additional items on new business. So at this time, we'll entertain a motion to adjourn. Motion by Dr. Robinson, second by Mr. Barbieri. All in favor? All opposed? We stand adjourned. And what's our next thing? Attorney. All right, so at this time, the board will be leaving the room and going to an attorney-client session. So, Mr. Littlejohn.
At this time, I request advice concerning a pending litigation matter. The subject matter of the meeting shall be confined to settlement negotiations or strategy sessions related to litigation expenditures. Daniel Chiarta versus the School District of Palm Beach County, case number 918CV80514-DMM, Judge Donald Middlebrooks and Magistrate Judge Dave Lee Brannon. The persons attending the attorney-client session are board members Frank Barbieri, Deborah Robinson, Barbara McQuinn, Marcia Andrews, Karen Brill, and Chairman Chuck Shaw, Superintendent Donald Fenoy, General Counsel or Deputy General Counsel Blair Littlejohn, District Attorney Shantoya Bernard, and Lisa Coring, and the court reporter. This session will be recorded by a court reporter. No portion of the session shall be off the record. The transcript of this session shall be part of the district's public record at the conclusion of litigation.
The board will now begin the attorney-client session in Training Room A. The subject matter will be related to strategic or negotiations related to the expenditures for litigation purposes, and the session is expected to last 30 minutes. So we'll go back, and then after that, we will come back to close out the attorney-client session, and then we have a risk management session after that.